Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a question that plagues every YouTuber. What type of content should I create? We will be diving into the three main categories: evergreen, average, and viral. Each has its pros and cons, and understanding them can be the key to unlock YouTube success. First, we are going to talk about evergreen content. Imagine a tree that stays lush and vibrant all year round. That's a evergreen content. These videos are timeless, relevant for a long period, and constantly attract viewers. If I give you an example, then you understand what is actually evergreen content. If you hear the rhymes "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star," this time you can hear years and years and years and years. This time has no stop. This time has no ending. If you make a video about this time, you can animate it or anything you can do with these times. You may have chance to people can see your video years and years. And if I give you more example like tutorials, dive project, life hacks, or explainers or evergreen topics like healthy recipes or personal finance tips, this will help you to consistent views, reliable source of income, builds trust with your audience. If we talk about course, might take a longer to gain initial traction, requires in-depth research and high-quality production. Now we are talking about average content, the balancing act. Average content is not bad things. There are videos that capitalize on current trends or topics that might not have long-term staying power. They are a great way to stay relevant and engage your audience. In this type of video, people may watch for their entertainment or enjoyment. They are not remember this type of content so many times. You can compare this with the normal content or normal video. You can see the many times in YouTube. These are the most content you can see in YouTube, the average content. If I give you an example, the challenges, reaction to trending videos, reviews of new product or hauls related to current events. Pros: can gain traction quickly, keeps your channel fresh and exciting, allows you to experiment with different formats. Cons: views might drop off after the trend fades, can be competitive, might not generate consistent income. Cons: this type of video is not a viral video, that's why you may not get million views in your videos, but in time of period you can get a good view for your content, and then it may drop, get more and more views. But in average content you may get normal views, and every day you may get views in your videos. So this is a current trends topic. So now we move on the viral content. All dream of going viral. Viral content explodes in popularity seemingly overnight, reaching massive audience. So if I give you some examples, then you understand better. You can see there are many viral things happen in your country or worldwide. There are many news or clips or video. You can see the viral news on YouTube or something viral in your country by YouTube or Facebook. You can choose this and make a video for your content. I give you more example: funny skits, heartwarming stories, unexpected fails, or anything that sparks a conversation and gets shared widely. Pros: can skyrocket your channel growth, massive exposure potential for brand deals and sponsorship. Cons: highly unpredictable, difficult to plan or replicate, success can be fleeting. No matter what type of content you choose, it's crucial to focus on niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Authenticity and expertise shine through regardless of format. The best approach, a strategic mix, focus on creating evergreen content as your foundation, then sprinkle in some average content to stay relevant and trendy. If the viral bless you, that's fantastic bonus. What type of content do you enjoy creating the most? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Let's discuss how to find the perfect balance for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Together, let's build content inspire, that thrives and inspire.